In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install QuickBooks Desktop. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth installation experience. QuickBooks Desktop is a fantastic tool for managing your business finances, and having it on your computer can make financial tasks a lot more efficient. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks website on your computer's web browser. Once the page loads, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your QuickBooks account. This will ensure you have access to all the downloads and options associated with your QuickBooks subscription. If you haven't created an account yet, simply follow the on-screen instructions to set one up. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page and locate the settings icon. This is often represented by a small gear or wrench symbol. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Get the Desktop app. Clicking on this will direct you to the download page. Now, this is where you need to pay attention to your operating system. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to click the Download for Windows button. Alternatively, if you're on a Mac, make sure to click Download for Mac. It's important to choose the correct version for your system to ensure compatibility and avoid any potential issues later on. Once you've selected the appropriate download, the process will initiate right away. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so you can take this time to prepare for the installation by closing any unnecessary programs. When the download is complete, you'll need to locate the installation file. Typically, this file can be found in your computer's Downloads folder, but sometimes your browser will prompt you to save it in another location. Once you've found it, double-click to open and run the file. With the installer open, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. These are standard installation steps where you'll choose the installation location and agree to terms and conditions. Follow these steps carefully, as it's crucial to complete each one for a successful installation. Take your time with these instructions and make sure everything is set up how you'd like it. Once the installation process is complete, you should see a confirmation message on your screen. Congratulations, you've successfully installed QuickBooks Desktop. You can now launch the program and start exploring all the features that QuickBooks has to offer for managing your business finances. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy bookkeeping!